Hey there, future professional dispatchers. Welcome to Dispatching University, where we discuss all things related to the trucking industry. In today's video, we're going to dive into an exciting topic: what are the requirements to become a truck dispatcher? Becoming a truck dispatcher is a rewarding and challenging career choice. It requires a unique set of skills and knowledge to effectively manage the logistics and coordination of truck drivers and shipments. So, let's get right into it. Requirement number 1, knowledge of the trucking industry. To become a successful truck dispatcher, you need to have a solid understanding of how the trucking industry operates. This includes knowledge of truck types, routes, regulations, and industry practices. Keeping up to date with industry trends is also crucial. Requirement number 2, strong communication skills. As a truck dispatcher, you'll be the link between drivers, clients, brokers. Effective communication skills are essential for coordinating deliveries, managing schedules, and solving problems on the go. Clear and concise communication can make or break the success of a dispatch operation. Requirement number 3, organizational skills. Being a truck dispatcher means juggling multiple tasks simultaneously. You need excellent organizational skills to manage schedules, track shipments, and handle paperwork efficiently. Staying organized helps you avoid delays and ensures that everything runs smoothly. Requirement number 4, ability to handle stress. Dispatching can be a high-pressure job. Things don't always go according to plan, and unexpected challenges arise. It's crucial to have the ability to stay calm under pressure and make quick decisions to resolve issues promptly. Requirement number 5, problem-solving skills. Truck dispatching involves troubleshooting and finding solutions to various issues. Whether it's rerouting a delivery due to traffic or resolving a mechanical breakdown, you need strong problem-solving skills to handle these situations effectively. Requirement number 6, familiarity with technology. In today's digital age, technology plays a vital role in the trucking industry. As a truck dispatcher, you'll need to work with various software and systems for load tracking, route planning, and communication. Familiarity with these tools is essential to streamline operations. Requirement number 8, adaptability. The trucking industry is dynamic and constantly evolving. As a truck dispatcher, you must adapt to changing circumstances, such as weather conditions, traffic, and unexpected delays. Flexibility and the ability to think on your feet are invaluable traits in this field. So there you have it, folks, 7 key requirements to become a successful truck dispatcher. It's an exciting career choice for those who enjoy logistics, problem solving, and working in a fast-paced environment. I hope you found this video helpful and insightful. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences as a truck dispatcher, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content on the trucking industry. Until next time, keep on trucking.